The firefly is a magical symbol of darkness, which conquers the blackness of the night by igniting its own light. When nature's plants and birds cower in fear of strong winds or severe cold, fireflies come one by one to form a huge group of light. They are not a huge star or moon in the sky, but rather a very small and gentle creature living in the earth. This light of theirs is not arrogance, but a wonderful expression of love by giving themselves away. With the power of that love within, they scare the fearful nature and make the world beautiful. I am drawing a firefly today. I love this insect very much. I will draw a picture and tell me how it turned out. Do you like it?